Haribol! Have you been wondering how to make a wig for your deities? Because after all, we all want them to have beautiful hair. These beautiful deities have such nice hair. Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda have two beautiful wigs that is using synthetic Kanekalon hair, and Krishna is wearing the same thing, but Krishna's wig hasn't been modified. Well, not more than a teeny bit, and my deity wigs have been. Now, it's not a super clever modification that we've done. All we've done is taken a wig and actually cut a hole in it for Lord Nityananda and Lord Chaitanya's hair. So I'm going to show you now exactly what sort of deities this will work for. So here's Lord Nityananda. Now, my Nitai Gaur deities have this top knot, and at the back of their head they have the second lower knot, which is really amazing because when we put the wig on, we hook it under that knot and then bring it over here. And what I've done with his wig is actually, this is the wig here, this is the inside of the wig. I've actually cut a hole just to allow the top bun in. So then when that goes on my Lord, it starts here and then comes up and hooks over the top knot, and I then position it so that it all fits. Now for his head, we've got the wig that, you know, stretches quite a bit. If I used a larger wig, it would not fit very tightly. So that's one amazing hack that you can try if your deities have the top and the low bun. Now Krishna's hair is different again. Let's have a peek. Now Krishna, the marble deity, has a very low bun on his head. So what we do is we don't cut any hole at all. We just sit it on, and it sits on top of his existing bun there over his head like that. You can see it does come up a little, but otherwise it sits very nicely. So that wig isn't modified at all, and that's a beautiful wig. And I'll give you the details in the description below. So I hope that answers some of your questions on whether you can use a wig or what wig you can use. Obviously, I'm still going to do a tutorial to show you how you can make your own wig, but in these situations, you can simply use an existing wig.